Hi, my name's Luca. 7 years old.
You are only 7 years old? Wow, I'm 8 years old. Okay, so are you excited?
Yes, but I'm a bit scared and I'm making...
Okay, you don't tell me what you are making yet, okay? But can you make some lava cake for me the next time?
Okay.
Okay, that's Luca. Okay, what are you going to make?
Hi.
What are you going to cook today? What are you going to cook for us today?
I'm going to make pasta and a Dutch baby and a Barramundi.
Whoa, you're going to cook Barramundi. Wow. So 2 kids are going to cook Barramundi, right? If I'm not wrong, Amanda also going to use Barramundi as one of the ingredients. Okay, well done. Luca, where are you? What are you doing, Luca? I cannot see your head. Oh, yeah, now I can see your head.
Sorry, have to follow him.
Okay, wow. The mommy. Oh, you are making your own pasta.
Ravioli.
No.
Oh, you are making ravioli.
I mean fettuccine.
You are making fettuccine. So you are making fettuccine or ravioli?
Fettuccine.
Fettuccine. So what's the difference between fettuccine and ravioli? Any difference?
Ravioli is long, fettuccine
The other way, honey.
Oh, you're watching yourself. You're so professional. It's just like watching a live cooking show, but it's you yourself. Wow. So do you look handsome on the TV? Do you think you look handsome?
Handsome?
Wow, whoa, that's fast. Okay, so you are going to make fettuccine. So what's the difference between mee pok and fettuccine? Any difference? You know what's mee pok now?
How about mee hoon kueh then?
Oh yeah, mee hoon kueh. How about mee hoon kueh? Mommy asked you, how about mee hoon kueh? Is there any difference between fettuccine and mee hoon kueh?
kueh.
Mee hoon kueh. Okay, maybe you should ask your mommy later. So you already made the dough, then you're going to flatten it and make into fettuccine. Am I right to say that? Yeah. Okay, wow, nice. Okay.
What sauce?
So anything else you want to tell us? Want to share with us?
What are the sauces that you're going together with this? How about the sauce?
Oh, what sauce? Maybe we'll get back to you later on while you're cooking the sauce because we can't see anything right now. We can only see your mee hoon kueh. No, I mean the fettuccine. Okay, so now we'll move on to Amanda. How's his? Hi, Luca. Wow, you're back in the kitchen already. Hi, Luca. How's your fettuccine?
I'm making teriyaki orange mushroom, and I put sugar in.
You are making teriyaki what again? Sorry.
Teriyaki
Is it like a sauce?
sugar.
Is it teriyaki sauce?
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, so this dish is like a Japanese fusion Italian. Am I right to say that?
Yes.
Yeah.
Tell him.
I think you are quite busy, right? Am I disturbing you?
My daddy's
Because my
Okay, I think I shall not disturb you anymore. Okay, you continue concentrate on your sauce. Okay, sauce is very important. So we'll move on to Amanda.
sauce.
It's sauce.
Suddenly you come back again. Okay, this is the sauce. Okay, all right. Now we can see your pan. Okay, so what sauce is this? What sauce is that? Teriyaki sauce. So you cook it with the rest of the ingredients. That's like mushroom.
Teriyaki sauce with orange juice.
With orange juice,
Mm.
Wow, so interesting. Teriyaki sauce with orange juice. I can't wait to try, no? Sounds so interesting to me.
Mushrooms in it. And eggplant.
Okay. Where's your fettuccine?
You want to show him the fettuccine?
You want to show us? You want to show our judge Jonathan? He's very interested about.
Yeah.
Wow, you professionally.
Very
Wow,
good.
you are damn pro. You even have the hanger.
Luca, I assume the sauce is for the barramundi.
Is the sauce of Barramundi?
No.
It's for the fettuccine.
It's for the pasta.
Ah.
Okay. Wow, well done. Impressive. Okay, we will come back to you later. Okay, Luca, continue to cook your sauce.
Don't stress. Don't stress.
Yeah. Okay, see you later. Okay, next. As we can see, he's like busy cooking his fettuccine. Hi, Luca. Are you cooking your fettuccine?
Yes.
Wow, I can see your rack. Where do you get the rack from? I want to buy.
You got it.
Wow. Do you want the fettuccine now?
Show them your
Huh?
pesto.
What is this?
What is this?
With
Pea sprouts.
pea sprouts and basil.
Tell them what
Mhm.
the garlic.
Corn.
Mhm. So this is like a, is it like a pesto sauce?
Yes.
Pesto sauce inspired, right?
Yes.
Wow, nice. Okay, so you are cooking your fettuccine now.
Yeah.
How long you going to cook your fettuccine?
2 minutes.
2 minutes. So you are going to do it like al dente, or you're going to do like a well done? You're going to half cook it, or you're going to cook like a well done? You like it soft, or you like it a bit like hard?
I like it.
Soft? What kind of texture? You like it soft or
Firm.
firm? Oh, so you like al dente. Okay, good.
And
By the way, we left 11 minutes. Okay,
Wow.
boys and girls, we left about 11 minutes. So
Yeah.
you have to hurry a little bit already. Yeah. Okay, I will get back to you again. Luca? Luca always have a last minute surprise for us. Okay, what's that?
Dutch baby.
Baby?
Dutch baby pancake.
Baby pancake. Okay, I'm excited to see it later. Okay.
Baby pancake.
Okay, we will get back to your baby pancake later on, okay? So now we move to Laika. Hi, Laika, where are you?
Ready?
Okay, hold on.
Okay, we can hear you already, Chef Luca.
I made a Dutch baby.
Okay, hold on.
I made a Dutch baby.
Don't touch it.
Oh,
Made a Dutch baby with caramelized peaches, and also I made teriyaki salmon.
No.
I mean barramundi with spinach with
Tomato sauce. Peach. Oh, sorry.
salsa, and also I made pasta with mushrooms,
Eggplant.
eggplant, and also
Okay, it's okay.
and also what's this called?
Your pets.
Also pastel.
Guess the
uh-huh.
But tell them what the vegetables are. What's this? You know it.
Basil
And
Yeah.
and peach
Wow.
and
peas.
peas
Sprout.
and pea sprout.
Right, for the garnish, right? Well done, Luca. Wow,
No,
you're making all of us hungry already.
For the pesto.
All right, well done, Chef Luca. That's Chef Luca.
And pizza garlic too.
Okay, so next. Chef,
Luca, yeah.
our judge Min would like to see Luca's dishes again, right?
Yes.
Okay,
Okay.
can we punch to Luca
That's a table.
dishes again?
Meat. Meat.
Pasta.
Okay.
Okay.
Hi.
So
Do you have
can
any
you
questions to
explain to
ask?
me again what is the round round shape, the round things in front of you?
This one?
Yes.
That's a baby.
What's a Dutch baby? Tell them.
It's a pen. I'm supposed to eat the salads. And a Dutch. And
Tell what is it?
the Dutch baby has peaches on top.
Okay.
Chef Luca, is it a pancake?
It's a pancake.
It's a pancake and
So it's a Dutch pancake.
it's a flour, sugar, and a milk, eggs, and that's all.
And then put in the
Then you
Okay.
put it in the oven. Then when it's done, icing sugar.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, thank you once again, Chef Luca. So any more questions from the judges?
No.
Hi, Team Luca. We got a big team here. We can't really hear you, but we can see that you are all very excited. Okay, thank you, Team Luca. I think these are all your aunties, uncles, akong ama, neighbors, friends and family. Thank you so much for your cheer. Thank you. Thank you, Team Luca. Okay, next we have Team.
Yes. Hi, Luca. Where are you? Hi. Luca, hi. I want to say really well done to you. Though you feel a bit nervous all the time. Yeah. But I still think you did a great job by doing your own pasta, even though I don't even know how to do my own pasta. And I don't even bake such a big pancake, which you did it so well. And the middle dish, the barramundi, right? Is it topping with all the colorful vegetables? This is really lovely. So we have good sauce of carbs, pasta, and we have barramundi fish, which is protein, and we have dessert. I think this is perfect for Christmas, for this holiday seasons. Yeah, good job, Luca. I love your creativity. It's really good, especially the pasta. You really put in a lot of effort. Well done.
Thank you, Min. How about Jonathan?
You.
Hi, Luca. Really good job on the pasta. I saw you making it. It was really well done. Pairing it with pesto, I like that a lot. Using the small amount of ingredients from the mystery box to make a pesto, that's very impressive. Also for your barramundi, it looks really colorful, really appetizing. And for your dessert, I didn't really see you making it just now. Sorry about that, but it also looks really good. Like I'm excited. I would be excited to try the things you have made.
Okay, thank you, Jonathan. That's,
You want to try?
We will love to
yes, we
try.
want. Later, give me your address, okay? Okay, next we have Chef Amanda.
Amanda.